select Use the Mapping Wizard. Start by selecting your file. Then, indicate which column contains your category. In step 3, the wizard will begin analyzing your categories for auto-mapping. To begin the review of the category mapping suggestions, click Automap. The category mapping suggestions window appears. Next, click Confirm. You, on the left, click Catalog Mapping and on Attribute Mapping. Click Automap to continue. Your attributes are now displayed on the right. You can integrate them in Catalog Attributes on the left by selecting them from the list. Next step, Value Mapping. Once your values have been analyzed, click Automap. The mappings have been applied, and you can now attribute the catalog values to the My Values column. In the last step, Summary and Validation, verify your categories and attributes before confirming your import.